I come in, sir?
Yes, coming. Please take your seat. What's your name?
Sir, Piyush Raghav.
Piyush Raghav.
Yes, sir.
Do you know the meaning of Piyush?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, what is the meaning of Piyush?
Sir, Amrit.
Amrit. Okay, what's your father name?
Sir, Munesh.
Munesh Singh. Okay. Are you comfortable here?
Yes, sir.
Any problem in
No, sir.
SSV?
No, sir.
Okay. And what was your journey to this place?
So it was nice. I'm from Haryana. It was a stunning place. I was come from. Firstly, I was come from by car, and it was I was joining the highway of Delhi NCR. It was as we say KMP. Then I was come from Meerut to Dehradun, and I come with my father. It's very nice for me.
Hope you have enjoying your stay at your in SSV.
Yes, sir.
Achha, tell me about your family.
So in my family, we have 5 members: me, my brother, my father, my mother, and my grandfather. And my father is a businessman. My father is an ex-serviceman of Indian Army.
Okay.
And my brother is studying in Sainik School, Rewari, and my mother is a housewife.
Okay. And how do you share resources in the houses with your siblings?
I perform very well with my siblings because by virtue, as you say, I am very supportive to with them. They also love me and also support me in every field, so they also like me.
Okay. Can you tell me your daily routine in your home or a hostel?
Yes, sir. Firstly, sir, at 5 o'clock I wake up in the morning. Then I'm living in hostel, so my PT sir call us. Then we go for PT. Then we do PT for 2 hours because it was a very hard PT and it's nice. Then we came and change our outfits and take well dressed and go for our classes. Firstly, we have breakfast. Then we go for classes. After that, we at 1 we have lunch. Then we have a rest for 1 hour. Then we go for our extra classes. Then at 5 we free. After that, I join English speaking classes. Then I go there. And after that, I have any other classes more. Then I go there also. After that, I take dinner. And after that, I have free time. So I do practice for my maths question. And after that, at approx 12 I slept.
Okay. So, what would you like to change in your family?
No, sir, it was I don't want any change in my family.
Okay. What responsibility do you discharge in your family? Any function at your home that time?
No, sir, but I don't have any responsibility in
What?
at that time because there is no function was held. But I perform very well with my mother because I help her in every field, as we say. When my mother wash the utensils, I also help them. And when my mother wash the clothes, I also help to, as we say, the top of the roof. I go and help them.
How do you compare that to the place you are presently staying here?
I think it was very nice for me. It was a nice opportunity to me, and I hope I will perform very well from mine.
Okay. Your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is chemistry, sir.
Chemistry. Okay. What percentage you got in your 10th exam in chemistry?
So on that time, on the 10th class, we have combined science, physics, chemistry, and biology. So I don't know because in the CBSE we don't get different marks in physics, chemistry, and bio. So we have combined marks there. But I got good marks in science and was 90.
What are your views about co-education?
In co-education, I think it was nice because by which the, as we say in nowadays, we see there are many problems was created between men and women. By co-education, it become less because it was totally depend on understanding, and it helped to understand between men's and women's.
Any problem faced at SSB? Just
No,
like
sir.
quality of food?
No, sir, it was nice.
Okay. How many days before you got your call letter for SSB?
So it approx 1 month before that, and it was 15th of February 2021.
How did you prepare for SSB?
Sir, I just I search lot of about SSB, what was happen, and I do lot of practice, like I practice for PPDT, and I do more and more, as we say, verbal and non-verbal questions at my home.
Okay. So how many friends have you made here?
I just all of us my friends, because I have a very good personality, because my teacher also said your smile is so nice, you attract everyone with your smile, by your smile.
With how many candidates will you maintain contact after your SSB?
I think I will maintain contact to all of them, because every person have a different role in life, and they all are very nice. So I think I want to maintain all of them with my contact after the SSB.
How do you judge your performance this time
Uh,
at SSB?
Sir, I can't say anything about that, but in my point of view, I perform very well, because I put my own hard work too much, so I think it was nice.
Okay. Your happiest and saddest moment in your life?
So happiest moment was when I got top in my class, and my father was so happy. It was very happiest moment for me, and also when I got my SSB letter, it was a very happiest moment for me. But last year, because of some reasons, I cannot clear my NDA first exam. So it was also a very saddest moment for me. But I overcome it, and I clear my next exam.
Alternate career option if you are not able to clear SSB?
No, sir. I just only want to serve for nations, and I have. It was more time to join defense, because after NDA there is more opportunities for join defense.
What you have been doing in the afternoon or evening after SSB?
On the previous days or after that?
Yes.
On the previous days, I just go for seeing that place, because many of the people asked me that it was a very stunning place, so I go there.
So which all places in the city have you visited after coming?
Roberts Cave and Sahasdar.
Okay. Why you joined Air Force?
Sir, I want to join Air Force because it was my childhood dream. In my childhood, I don't know about Air Force, but I see too many planes, and I want to know. I have too much curiosity to know how a pilot, who person can drive that plane. So my father said to me, there is a pilot who drives that plane. Then I have too much curiosity that I also want to drive that plane. Then after that, my father, after some years, when I know my grandfather is an army man, then I asked. Then my grandfather also tell me some stories about wars and about army, what was happened, and what was the adventures like that. So I think I also want to serve nation, and I also want to fly a plane. So it was a combine, and after that, my father said to me, asked me about Air Force, and it is a platform which I fulfill my dreams. So because of that, I want to join Indian Air Force, and by virtue of that, I also serve to nation, and I also complete my dream. So by virtue of that.
Okay, you just want to serve for your nation.
Yes, I also want
So
to.
why you join Air Force? Why not your IAS officer is there, police officer is there?
Sir, because as I
and
say,
ITBP, CRPF and others forces are also there. No,
no, sir.
they
These
also
four.
serve for nation.
Yes, these also serve for nation. I appreciate that, and I also salute all of them. But because of my childhood dream, I also want to. Every man has a need to complete his childhood dream, and it's also my dream to drive a plane. So it's Air Force is a platform where I fulfill my dreams, and I also serve for nation. So by virtue of that, I join Indian Air Force.
Okay, major problems facing the country this time.
So the major problems which was our country faces are the discrimination problem, between men and women, and the discrimination problem between religions. So I think as you say after that before that co-education, it also solve the problems between the discrimination between men and women. And as I say about religious issue, so it was a mentality of people. If we took initiative and do lot of surveys, and we do too much hard work, and we appreciate we say to go for people, go home to peoples and understand them that there is a no big instead of humanity, so they understand. And I think it was the discrimination between both of them was finished.
Whom do you love more, mom or dad?
I love both, sir.
You love both.
Yes, sir.
Will you come back again for SSB interview if you are failed this time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, it means you are not confident about.
No, sir, I have totally confidence on me that because of my hard work.
Okay. Tell me your 5 strong points.
So my strong points are I have very adhesive quality that I attract peoples by my way of talking, by my smile also. And I have a management quality because as I say in class 11th me and my class arrange farewell for our seniors, and many of the teachers think because our hostel are only boys hostel, so many of the teachers think it was not nice because it was arranged by students. So but at the end of the day it was so nice, and all of the teachers appreciate us. And the main thing was that the whole farewell, the in charge of student union was me, and it was conducted very nice. So after that I also give the party to my my friends. And also my teachers give many of the teachers give treat to whole group because of our good work. So I think I have a very well management quality. And I also have the I also mentally fit because when anyone give me a task, I also complete. I want to complete it. And any condition, because at one time I not have that much of physique, but some of the students have too much good physique. But at that time when our PT teacher asked us to run, many of the people took very high speed in the starting, and they stop at the third round. But at the end I was having very low as we say stamina, but I have too much potential that I have my inner soul said you completed that task at any situation. So I completed it at any situation, but I not top at that. But I think I completed it. It's a winning opportunity for me. And the next one is I have a as we say understanding ability, because I understand many people very as we say suddenly, because whenever when I will meet anyone, I understand them what he want to say, what problem he face. So these are the some qualities which I have, and these are the abilities which also attract people towards me.
Okay, you have 5 weak points.
So I have a little bit lazy, but little bit I overcome that. And I have little bit problem in communication in English, because my grammatical is not nice. But whenever I will go for my training, I promise I overcome it, and I also be a good communicator. And I also have some problems about physique, but I overcome also that because I have potential to I have potential to do that. And the fourth one is that I am so little bit as we say so chanchal, because my all of the teachers said you are too much naughty. So but at the time of the fun I do fun, but at the time of the seriousness I show my seriousness. So it is some little bit as I say my weakness, but I also control over them. And the last one is I have some problem on my writing skills, but I believe on me. I complete. I also beat it because I have potential to it, to overcome it.
Who is your best friend?
So I have too many best friends, but as I say, I have too many friends. But best friend in my point of view, my father is my best friend.
Your father is your best friend. Okay. Chief of your name. Please tell me the name of chief of your.
In an Air Force.
Yeah.
So Chief of Air Force is Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Singh Bhadolia.
Air Chief Marshal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.